Hi everyone, it's Elena here from Lavinia Stamps design team. Thank you for joining me today and welcome to the Fairy Craft Festival. 4 days full of inspiration, hints, tips and giveaways. So I hope you're going to enjoy this fabulous 4 days. For today's project, I'm using the cream circular cards with the cream stencil card, just so that they both match, but you can use the white circular card with a white multifarious card. I'm also going to be using a sheet from this fabulous paper pack. Aren't these fabulous backgrounds? Just beautiful to create bookmarks with, tags with, quick cards and to decorate boxes with. For today's project, I'm using these cutting dies and I'm only using the 2 outer circles, the 2 largest ones. So I've gone ahead and already cut them out. So I've cut out 4 black circles and that's the largest circle. Then from my scrapbox, I've got some mirror card and that's from the 2nd size down. And then from Lavinia's paper pack, I've already taken a sheet out and cut 2 out, again using the 2nd size down. And then with the cream card, I've already cut out my cream card from the same die, the 2nd size down. So I've got my stamp ready and now I'm going to use Versafine Clair to stamp with. So I'm going to use Warm Breeze. So ink up. Fantasia, and I'm just going to catch the edge of our stamp with, so just by flicking and then just randomly stamping it over our wings and tail. And then my last colour, Nocturne, just to catch the very end of our wings and tail, and then we're going to stamp it. So I'm aiming towards the left of our circle. So let's just pop that down. Place this onto our card. Press it down and just let that ink absorb into our card. So I'm going to use the Flower Divine set now, and you get 2 in the stamp set. So let's just ink that up and let's just build up our scene. So I'm just going to have the hummingbird here, and I think we can just bring that out about there. So stamp that flower head down and then go and use the other one. So again, just inking that up. And building our scene up. And now I'm just using the Mystic Swirl with Warm Breeze. So I'm going to do this in 2nd gem. So let's just stamp it on. And then we're just going to add a bit of detail down the bottom there. And one at the top. Let's just clean the edge off. And have one just about here. So you need to cut 2 large flowers and then 10 of the small flowers. Colour them in and fussy cut them out, or if you're lucky enough, have a scan and cut like I have done. I've used my scan and cut to cut them out for me. And I've just added a bit of glitter onto them and let them dry so that they're ready to put onto the card. So I'm going to go back to the topper, and I'm using this beautiful Flourish stencil. So I'm just going to pop that onto the card. I'm using Elements Olive and using my blending tool. Just take the excess off, hold your stencil, and then bring the colour onto your card. So start from the outside and then just gently work it in so that we get that lovely gradient. So and lift that up. You can see I've only done the right side of our card. And now we're going to quickly colour in these flowers. So I'm just going to quickly go over with a watercolour pencil. I'm using a purple and like a pinky red colour. Let's just mix and match some of the colours. And then again with your brush and some water, let's activate this colour that we've quickly coloured the flowers in. So I'm going to use a teal colour just to quickly add a bit of colour to our hummingbird. So I'm just doing this very quickly. Just colour up where the ink hasn't quite got on. And then with your bit of water and your brush, we're just going to quickly colour in the wings. So I'm just quickly blending all of that in. And then I'm going to use a purple, using my brush with a bit of water on, just to darken the tummy and the beak, a bit on the wings. So there's my card blank, and I'm going to work with the black card first. So I'm going to take two and I'm going to layer them like that. So with my glue, I'm just going to put a bit onto the back here and then place them where I want them to roughly be. And then I'm going to use the grid system by just making sure that these are level. And then again with my other two, I'm going to layer them on top, put some glue on the back, and as you can see, I'm not gluing all of it, and we're just going to copy that just so that we've got two pairs of these double circles. So bring my card back, and now we're going to layer it all up. With some foam pads, we're just going to pop some foam pads on. We want our bird where they want it like that, but I'm going to have it going upwards. So let's just get that positioned. So now you can see all of our beautiful layers just by using those circular dies. So I've brought the flowers back in, so I'm going to use this lovely yellowy goldy one, and I'm just going to position that roughly at the edge of our card. And I've already stamped the word nature on, trimmed it down and put a foam pad onto the back. And then I'm just going to use the lines on my mat just to keep that base of that card straight. And I think we can just pop that there, just underneath the wing. And then to add some sparkle to our hummingbird, I'm using Stardust Stickles, and I'm just going to quickly just put a few bits onto the wings and also around the body here. Gold Uniball pen, or any gold pens would be fine, and we're just going to fill in these dots just to give a bit of interest to our card. And then the last thing I'm going to use is Liquid Pearls White Opal, and this is just to go into the middle of our flowers. And that is the finished card with all of those beautiful layers. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of the Fairy Craft Festival. Take care. Bye for now. Bye.